Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
Let's check the advert that they sent us today. Ganyamazani Policing Forum Sector 1, 5-kilometer walk/run. 27 April 2026 Bafetu. Restarting was 6:30 and starting point is Legacy Primary School. Legacy Primary School. Registration from 5:45 to 6:15 at Chillers Inc. next to Gaza Church. Entry is 10 rand. Entry is 10 rand Bafetu. They don't cost much. For pre-registration, please use the following banking details. Capitec Bank account number, it's 12401888860. 12401888860. Username and surname as a reference. Or you can contact D Shongwe on 07365400631. 07365400631 for more information. Thank you. Hola to our subscribers, hola to our viewers. Donkeys in Jazzy Game, Donkeys in Jazzy Diski. Chief, my chief, how are you, sir?
I'm good, thanks yourself, Chief, and good morning to all the viewers of Serenganga Diski.
Chief Mane, Kopola, you still remember? Umfonela or Santero Tobuaka came here Pagani, Air 2-2 last week.
Yeah.
Kirika Tinta Chief, get Champa, that's okay. Oh, Chief phone next. Sneaking up to like a Utabarai. One child, Bilana, I or one child, a cook and non child or Limpopo there.
Yeah, it's a around.
Gachagera, Namopilungera, Chifu Balele, Kamogeta Kerele, non a chess society, Gerama Pagani and Garabale, Ama Pagani, it's a throw.
Never, very. We are always and forever there for our team.
Yeah.
Never la guy, even if I feel Limara TV, the phone, the
So, when I orenga ka destroyer ya le Pagania Air 2-2.
No, Makula that play later. They told themselves and they meant business Mafana Valley. And like I always say, Iliveta Jalo or a Limameli. Or not Pirates, to be honest, I'm not going to keep at that bill. Sanjim Fanoli defense I am Spanella. If you can look at the 2 goals that were scored by that team, they weren't supposed to score. Because Kaufelabamsha out of 18. And then you ask yourself, where is he? What is he doing?
True.
Barumela Valley goal. Washabella, Baba Barumela out of 18 again goal. From the what he knows, Kuchika the player Alwana lead player for Imutsibaya Narzi.
Yeah, man, Kaupula, man, Ubila, previously were 8 goalkeeper Aero.
Sense of agency, and I look at the one and Fanoli. And the Fotlapela along with your son that it doesn't have a competitor. I'm not competitor, and I'm tapping your role. If not, channeling from not Chibela Chipa United, I think it's something would have happened. The games are in Rijuaki.
Yeah. So definitely, night again on that rocker. I think no Matala or Yugo Prosi, Ntoti in Wadibona, Pillar Naridibona, Cotonarna charge.
Somewhere, Okashe. Johnny Navarkiman Mufuki. He advised I did input. Go somewhere somehow. Giraffe wa Mamela Mtadoni because one Antonina is a free role in Natijan. Lily Busman Lily. They're always playing and scoring and enjoying the game.
Yeah.
So, key advice is I don't know. There's some fun on a free roll, and he's enjoying it. Every game he's scoring goals. Every game he's creating goals. Every goal he's assisting. So what?
Remember you said last time Ronaldo Bafana Bajamnate, then Ebobana Lebafana Barambalapide, and you even mentioned or tell it they make sure we are here to fight and we are here to play to win. Our relax. So ke bone ka game ya Mapagani ya Lebafana ba ke re man king Royal Bafokeng or king. Yeah, Richards Bay. I was like, I know, Bafana ba mata trend. They are hungry. I think le bona ne ba shebile or he ba tlo thola scheme ko Bafana Bafana.
You know, whenever they play Pirates, these boys, they're motivated before the coach could motivate them. Each and every team that plays Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, they are motivated before the kick-off. Even in training, every player that wears the kit, I can achieve. Only that we should have first 11. If I not, there's 18, because they choose 18 players for the day. So the boys are 24/7 motivated, and they go flat out. They are raga. Injury electronic appeal because what to prove again by market about to regiwa. Look at Butuma, the very same team. Now Super Pirates by then. From nowhere, monkey the Pirates.
Yeah. Because usually ka hopola hape on that thing ya di player or man abaruti like body the coach tshwantse be di baya mo di training like o bana le coach ya di striker o bana le coach ya di defender o bana le coach ya di goalkeeper. So don't you think gore le mo Pirates is still lacking mo ya di goalkeeper because lena ke bone ka ra chain ka re yo I would thusitse as ka go squad thing because any le squad thing da never torbola ne real mathateng rona Mapagani.
To be honest with you, Chain was never a good goalkeeper.
Yeah.
The team that he was playing for coming to us, it's when that Fenule, like I've said, football, it's on a lily rato. I'm told Ratilo, I'm sad. The wire never buys this. So the coach at the Pirates, Bonegazba, Bam Ratile Fanule. Leaka tswara dipeleng tse 20 of it na ke nata ba lena mfanole 1 ana discipline 2 sense of agency itse rajiwa ra dlala score ke 2-0 instead of pile up a pressure out well goal to tswara ball aqala perform I mean we don't do that as a professional team. We need to show sense of agency reman ari so yena aba mukoro raka bolo tsele kantle o ba tlo chika player for what?
Hey,
what is he proving?
So kabona le this game ya Chiefs you see it a perform a grand or how you see Chiefs the performance?
Yeah, Chiefs ya dlala. They are doing well. The problem with them, they are too confident. You don't do that in football. For football it's got disappointments. It's only the rato hapelion. Molly play the thing. Aye, it's like a so bona ba tlile hantle ka di 1-0 tsa bona ka di goal tsa bo Lollipop shali lining a square ga tikala ke tlo tswara net ebe ba no it's not that bona fela there's still a lot to be done tlapung ya bona ya Chiefs. There is a lot to be done.
Yeah, because usually lena it's a ke check ara so wa bana le someone a supporter ya Chiefs ke bile ka la ga ra this thing I need to re check alright ha Chiefs I win wo hlela le ngamla le ha Chiefs throwile ba buisa taki
Bona staff skali ba lori the coaches one was an interpreter
yeah
and then being an interpreter at the same time na dula le coach na tse ba di tactics so nkile idea tsa ntatole ya Spanish tsa mo Spanela
yeah
so o ba shebe ba di two di journalist ba na di problem ka o lo motho because ha tse bua wa tella
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme.
so also you bone that thing or ya ha Chiefs win ba interview le ngamla ha Chiefs jewe utlo interviewer Taki old
ke yona ntho ya bona ke re system ya bona e mnate so ha ba structure sa bona ne sile well structured and well balanced nka be ntho ya change lady ka ba ya phela le rona ka be ba kenya Giraffe ba kenya Nkazi so Giraffe is a coach period I do that.
Yeah. So yeah, coming to this post game sitena tsa no tse fitileng ke bona hore Sundowns won ka re so ya ko finaleng Chiefs e throwile not le rona no re tswile re win yeah as we won so the game tsa this weekend which one that you checked or checkile le Pagani afa
no ke di checkile ka fela although ya Chiefs ke bona nyane late but what I'll tell you that Erectale kaya wa ka 0-0 Chiefs. Polokwane City.
yes
They meant business. And I'm found only so that analyze. And I'd like to thank the management of Polokwane City by giving Puti a chance. And the management I'm fairly below. And what they were trying that lapo. So key Chiefs we trade and then they came there with that confidence. Mind you, I was so glad. They've got that thing you're win. There goes the game. Still, they couldn't perform. They couldn't get the results. And what disturbed Chiefs in winning that game, that I must say, they were focusing more on Pirates. They forget they still have to get finished Kawana, then battle face Pirates. So what I really Pirates before Kaka game ya Polokwane City. You never cost dealing you.
that's why I know the last bar never see the goal for Pirates. So when do you think or they still have a chance on Pirates? Or batlo hola tupa happy.
I mean, Chiefs are going to be right. The Chiefs would be right. I told the coaches when they're right. And any management, the Chiefs, my involve, my ex-players, my legends.
Yeah.
See like Pirates, but my chance, which is Kosana, Mini Joseph, they're involved.
Yeah, like last week, let us kiringile ka didenya ke mantane Jabupule. He sent a letter, ke Mamfokeng. He said something beautiful right. Ntwana ka ra bona re ntswembu wa dlala ene re batla re o be ntswembu o feta rona le bo mkhelele even everyone uzokala ngimo Africa hantle are yena o mshebile re future ntwane tshwantse e be le kare aka montle. Then I was like I know I bona how a superstar e kgona recognize a superstar engwe and you need to go well and do more than us we did. That Gabono Rhino Mfano Mfuking Gar Umo leveling a prop.
They learned the hard way.
Yeah.
And what I like about that boy, he is vocal.
True.
Lastly, now till his Namonka, I didn't know it's waste time. I'm applying Yaha. So with this boy Mbarki Mufuking, particularly Changanili, I was happy little Changanili Movemo.
Yeah.
I'm respect, I'm honor, everything. This is what we want. My only request from Mufukeng side, Tamalaya Hutlem Rawanya, Lemelem Rawanya, and the Jabupuli, Bamratam was Kingwana Munyani, Udala Bola, Libocha, what I never live. So Ababa couldn't do any will put mistakes about whatever he is saying.
True.
That is why I'm Rumela message you name and fit. Which are until 2 1 2 3. Lee and Mufuking. He can't a bit cool. They start going to pay the Pirates or PSL. I got Alipola, I did the right Asugan in Disney.
To be honest, he highly talented kid. He needs to be protected. And I think the coach at Pirates is doing a good job because twice I saw him pulling him off because the kid was starting to struggle. And a kid like that, the moment he starts to struggle, take him out. You're protecting him, you're building him. So that the next game he comes in, because that Mkhize was a bit stronger physically, it was a bit stronger for him, even though he scored with a ball which was played over Mkhize. But after that, he couldn't go past him. He was shoving him all over the place, was tackling him and so forth. But he's got a bright future. He needs to be protected properly.
Then, Sundowns we have a qualifier to the final.
Now, Sundowns, their first game, he'll win a corner game.
Yeah.
That's where they won the game. Even if not a penalty, is a coach corner Manjiguma, interview complaining a penalty, it was too soft, be falling a bewanga, blah 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 blah. But now i-Sundowns iwine leya game le. Advantage to Sundowns again. The coach knows those guys who they badlala kanjani and all those things. So mina I say big up to Sundowns.
Yes, sir.
Awusho coach ngicela ukubuza is it true ukuthi iSundowns le cup le idlala ifinal idlala ifinal in a row?
I heard about it. I won't comment much, but I heard about it here in Europe. But ngazuthi nje iya final and that's it.
In a what?
In a row, which is in a last.
Yeah, last time ngithi yakhipha iPyramid. Yeah, last yadliwa efinalini yakhishwa iPyramid. So nano vele bengifuna ukuraise that thing, but abantu ababhaya they saying no le team nayo ku final this week.
Akunatabe week ba. Akunatabe week. The minutes kene gymming sifaka ama big nama competition gym. We are ready and preparing for the game. And ubheka ibhola lamanje. Alisafana leli lethu. La manje li too physical.
True.
You understand? Bazokushaya. That push, you understand?
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the call about mountain and shine pepe. It's a foul. So manje you won't do that. You understand? So my advice is that ibhola lamanje is too physical to have. And imagine they are not the same, but fun. You understand? Whatever if rubbers would know life and if I would have rubber for a game.
Oh, yeah.
So it's under these two chances now. But what I like about this fight, I'm if it's a woman a winner. Whereby Bafana baqinise la Sundowns bangazitshela ukuthi bazozambela. Kusazoba nzima, kusazosetshenzwa.
Then definitely yona grand you seeing it ekhutla Star Sundowns.
Let's hope, but I can say PC next. I give it to go next. I can kill a player against the ball.
Yeah.
Coach against the ball. Gile kaba chairperson against the ball.
Yeah.
So I guys study into the ball or pass to the certificate.
Yeah.
Ile kalimala. Kadula spetlele ka ball.
Ka opula hape le ka game ya no e alpagania amfukeng a mesa penalty. Ka tamzerwa manudula tshoreng fetu man hona di coach tsa batho ba or coach e etsa ntwe sona ke surely no di la se bafana ba ska ba etsa tje abana motho wa coach am from the penalty aba practice for the penalty.
No, penalty la dile ka Mazulu, to be honest. The goal tabona limnati. The goalkeeper Mazulu was good. Again, our police and Mufukeng presently ngibona kuyibaba Petty Pirates mina abadlala kakhulu and bonke abagoli bami ku number 9 ku number 7 basuka nawe siswini. So if it comes to a penalty, if I'll tell you the truth, I had that wish ukuthi Mufukeng akayishaye for ukuthi agijimise i top goal scorer. Ngiyabhadi ngaphinda ngamtshela ulento bengihleli naye la endlini. Bengihleli no Machete from Pitori. Lenkosi ya Machete ngithi Machete uyakana ka bemfana la sara ibholweni. Uqinisa. So ngenhlanhla nangeqiniso Machete athi ubulethi ngathi no kuyayifiba nje. And akayimisa ushaya ipali. Angithi ujwayele ukukhela.
Yeah.
So unalento uthi uzoyi asi free kick leyana, penalty leyana. Leyana mina I believe ukuthi you just pick a spot and put it there, game over.
Yeah, cause lentana ke na idula vele complain ka yona the thing enyane edlala disc or amfukeng ake hani ke Star mar problem ya mo dipolong tsa di mesang o batlo kora ka style
When the into ekle for the 90 or 70 minutes or 60 lama game so you occupied. Thanks for the technical team. Minute after missing that penalty they pull him out. Even me I was going to do that because I'm phazamisa le penalty.
True cause usually abenze sona ke di denge ba entse proper why ke choche I still remember ka di dengena ka mfano ba re ke mang a police aka bana le di chances tse ba di mesang definitely a police tlo mona mo gaming or a perform grand until ba bana le chance or I thola gore kona khutlang. So definitely it's about yona after this penalty it was proper velo or ba mo keep. So yena mfana I o proper wadala. So grand mo Pirates ke ndi denge we bona ngore because no ya pele ke bona le nna ke goalkeeper. Then the other thing we bona ngore ke mistake or chance ba ska dila ba yetse
bench na low paiza. You can't substitute a player uchimang 90 for the whole week. Utom Kenya last 7 minutes aki madam. What I think approve ka 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Huh? That's what they're doing. They're putting about more gaming 7 minutes to go, which is not right. Huh? I mean, we've got Iri Hairi 45. The next 15 minutes, which is which is an hour. Check out Machita or with a lang Kenya Juang Mankai. Kenya Mang Juang Kai. You understand? From there, we're done. So, Coach Aruna talking to last 7 minutes, last 8 minutes. Technical team Aruna benching Shayag Leona.
True.
You don't substitute under pressure. Substitute Machita over Najala. For instance, this young boy called Butuma. Butuma first have done Makapume, Sinomlum, Akachuela Machita, Sino saying 1 hour says, I can't get it. You understand? You understand? Papa Machiti chance, but at the
no master chef ubahlala bamncisha amagame ngiyazibuza ukuthi wenzakala
master chef one bambuzile uchiraf iplayer ongayithanda sifasi ukuthengele yona wakhala ngomaster chef bamnike yena icoach bafana ithanda umaster chef izikhulume nangaye and le coach yethu ayibona ukuthi by putting these ballers on the bench umvalela amathuba okuya phambili. So sine team sine cream, but this coach wethu akakwazi ukuyisebenzisa nangu Dlamini uhleli for yini imali nama interest bank. We've got players, Bob, and the players are not used. Now Radio Pan, all along a Memphis, just on Vesa match. Petama players, Pelu, Umbutumagana skills about Radio Pan. Now, Lumdam Shili Sayali Bambi, Abu Al Fagenda, the next minute. You check that. We need those kind of players in the box. So, Tine coach to I, if it comes to substitute, high. And ask me, I don't know.
He's taking his own time.
Yes, course.
Ijirafi yangempela mayiphuza amanzi ithatha isikhathi ukuthi afike
We has
esiswini.
cost, I say whatever, I don't care, we has cost. Le league phela bewinile. Kunamagame esingakhothela ukuthi ukhostile. Kunamagame engafuna bokuthi. I mean, mabenza ifield what lento yabo check ground. Ungabe ubhekile crowd ukuthi yane athatha umlungu amqale negame or umana sese amqale negame. Lento anayiphuzisa amanzi. Angithi buya lapha izodlala nangenhliziyo efuna uprove point. You don't play him. Give me the last 10-15 minutes to get go in and play. That's how you do it. So bona lento na they were not supposed to. Bamfakela pressure. Our supporters are not happy umfana. Ayalwa.
So any prediction ngiyedile ngilena nge-league?
Eish. Good question. Tough one. Not you, Taffy, but tough one. Eish. Yaksasa chance of a free. Sandals and Amakemas like they always say it doesn't mean that now that they've got a game in hand, they've won, that they've got those points. Anything can happen in this game. From now until the last day, anything can happen. We now don't want to say hey, Pirates will win, Sandra. Anything can happen. Lucky team will take the trophy this year.
Yeah.
Period.
Ngoba ngiyayibona ne-Chiefs sekuyi number 3.
I tell you, they are out of the race cause Allah. Nabasikhulumi ngabo.
Yasho ukuthi ngeke banimangaze.
Bamangaze bani.
Hayi bari league wa utlale tamzera washo the viewers subscribers are league kya Chiefs le kya Pirates le Sundowns. So this other 3-4 yakwa I record o re wena Mr. Taff.
Ngithi silahlile nathi endleleni.
Yes.
Silahlile endleleni kuba silahlanga ngabe sesikuye.
They are contest.
Yathola. Namanje siphinde siyalahla futhi ngedraw. Yabo. Namazulu ala.
Yabo.
Nice kukhune bayibhaqabuli. Did you think of
Yes.
that? Stellenbosch.
Yeah, and I saw the game. How was the game, Basha? I was like, yeah, no, and again, bantite the coach, I guess, Tinkler. Bam TV. Immediately after
No,
the Tinkler.
Abamtibela
Or wait,
Tinkler, there's one thing that you must know, guys. How the coach unka ball pen li pampiru sign le batho bana. Baba shebile into 32. Other cup 1 or top 8. Those two things are important. The league, okay, Seribu Fela Gali. Marali top 8. One of the cups that I did well. At least. More Chiefs, it's a must. Sundowns, it's a must. Pirates, these other teams, who wins a duty. Makapia Pirates, na check.
So, anybody in your honor like have.
Anna Nix. And the Wesley more leaking of a performer like the way. It's about to win.
Yeah.
And no guy wanna gariscaba to the battle 2 hours. Marabona Mr. Zero or something or it's very important. How to these teams back up Chiefs, Pirates, and Sundowns, I get.
Yes.
So now, ke tlo wina jwang league, ke dula ke khapa di-team tse ding. Already.
The whole thing is the structure or the plan a joang to Taluna. Because how can you have a technical team? You don't think only one technical team.
Yeah.
Only Chimisang Bashiman. Only first aid doctor. You check all those people. Our player limits, are we coaching? We are go doctor or physician. Understand?
Yeah.
So it's true. That's why I was saying along the way. How one of the players Mratangali Atola injured, we've got a replacement for him. So structure release Juang from January to Moriang, si Juang. That's the question.
Oh yeah, no.
As a coach, you're saying out to join as a coach Tapuya rule. Okay, Talbiamo number 3 or Licono go free. Titol Kenya go top 8 or season at Calabar born.
Then I get there, so there's no need.
They're too short. That's why one of Pizzo Batamali assistant Tabonadigo. Leon and Fanon as Panali Eric Tinklau, Bamufiling Spanino. Yena Selva Sadala Polonili home. Always must say, not that people.
La.
He's played for Free State Star, he even played at Pirates.
Hey, what's your name like a bench?
Yana has told us Mara in Kintuali physicality, physically, and Kiba to Bale, you understand?
Oh. Are kwaleka diding nakatabi no or motabi ho etsahalang score ho etsala motabi on Sunday
kuzodlala mara itingathembisa abantu next ngesivenda bathi Ridori Ndimbidi Robo namabala. You understand? So mase isivezile le nto yini kula social kudayi uthafi nangu khona olufikile oluzile. That's how it goes. Understand? So into engayisho kini ukuthi igame yePirates neLento uyabona manje badlala idraw. Badlala nePirates before ilanga lePirates. Uyangithola ngithi and laba bamnyama bamnandi abana stress. So what I'm saying izophindeka lento benzakala izophinda. Ayikho into abangathi banayo engathusa. Mangabheka ama defense wabangisaze iphi game ngibukela. They just collect yellow cards as if ababhali imali. You don't do that as a defender. Ufanele wenze into right ukuthi okay uzenza i-first tackle dom bamnike red card. Abuye kwenye S2 bamnike elinye card. Red card i-team iyashota manje. Ngeba ngendaba ustupid we-defender engacabanga. So I don't promise anything but izophinda. Le abayenzile bazoyiphi angithi ba same ground. Hlukana nje ilanga nje last week Saturday late Sunday. Yeah.
So now your first starting lineup awona na Giraffe Kenyama Kaleka Bomang.
If it comes to the team, obvious goalkeeper Kiena Odolun. And then angenza flop abuyisela uHoto ku3 lo ndaba wakhe akame kancane. Ngale ku2 sibelebele nale khalada asazi ufaka abantu lapha. Bese kuba nalo siyema la no Bodlela.
Yeah.
So esiswini ke angazi uyaba change abangase umakhawula umbatha. Then kuba yile ntwana lezi ezi2 aba police no that. Bese kuba ngale ntwana yakhe le ayithanda iboxing lencane. Umbuthuma. You understand? So to mention few of those players, I think that's the team I think we can work on. Don't just calling a lot of two. And I don't tell a Shangan this week, Maswangai. I don't tell a this week. But it all depends again. Jimmy to perform a gajan. Because he games he win a Jimmy as he win a crown.
Thank you, yes, sir. Saiva like we'll see everything on Sunday, but she is over Super Sunday.
Yeah, imagine babheke ukuthi labantu basemazweni mabezile bangavuki bajahile Monday holiday.
Yeah.
So abantu bazaba relax.
Aye, so wanna grand guys Super Sunday. Yeah, please guys like and subscribe on our channel and keep on sharing the video bafethu. Yazi man like on our channel nenzela ukuthi amanye ama YouTube channel akhona ukubona ukuthi iSpanish sethu siphushane. Sinje masithanda ashilo ke uncle awe.
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostan disc, adlale disc, that's why siringa nge disc. Yes, yeah. Yibo ngigijane laba.